a high school worker who was fired just tried starting a fight with her ex-principal at a party for the school staff.
I'm not.
Hey, well, you don't gotta throw your water.
No, I have to.
What's going on? Talk to me.
Because I tried to go in there and talk to the fucking principal.
What happened?
Doesn't matter.
Well, I mean, it matters to me. I'd like to know.
He's an
I
asshole.
want to try and help you out a little bit here.
I'm not driving.
I know. I'm just trying to have a conversation with you, that's all.
Yeah. Now I'm gonna be the bitch.
No, I didn't say that. Boyfriend's on his way. Okay. What happened? So you went in to try to talk to the principal, but they didn't want you to.
No, I got an appointment tomorrow.
You have an appointment to go talk to him?
Yeah.
Well, don't you think in this condition it's not
No,
the best way to
okay.
go talk to him?
No.
So this is actually the high school's like end of the year staff party in there. Was a supervisor, she got let go. She saw the lady that caught her and it made her upset. She came storming out here. They stopped her before she got in her truck to drive and they just waited for us to get here. So I called boyfriend, he's on his way.
Just let me drive fucking home.
Oh no, you're not gonna let you drive.
I'm not the fucking person.
Don't hit that car.
No, I'm not the fucking person.
Stop, that's not your car.
Oh.
It's not yours.
Oh, fucking.
We don't need to do that. She does it again, she goes to jail. Ma'am, let's
Go
not do
jail.
that. Ma'am,
Go jail.
Ma'am,
Mom.
hey, look at me.
Mom.
Ma'am, look at me.
Mom.
This is your last chance. Look at me. What's your name? Patricia?
Patricia.
Can you look at me real quick? I haven't got to talk to you yet, okay? I've already talked to your boyfriend who's gonna pick you up and you get to go home and then just do whatever you want to do the rest of the day. So
I'm
let's
the
stay
fucking
calm.
person
Can you just hear
that
me?
gives
I hear you.
bullshit.
I hear you, but please don't strike the vehicle anymore or I'm gonna have to take you, okay?
Come on.
Wait, threatening me?
Come on. Come on.
I don't know if you want to
Patricia, come on. Can we just relax, please? We're giving you a lot of opportunity here.
Come on.
Where we going?
I'll fuck you up.
Threatening a police officer. You want to go to jail, ma'am?
No, I want to fuck you up.
We were being very kind with you.
Give you a chance.
We gave you a chance, and now you are going to go to jail. We're going to get you up. We don't need any more charges, right? So
Right.
please cooperate. Understood? I think
on,
I've been
let's
very
stand up.
kind to you so far. Let's stand
No,
up. Come on.
I'm not standing up. I'm not standing up.
Take this off.
Come on.
Your hands right here. Hey.
Don't fuck with me.
Stop. Come on.
Don't fuck with me.
You're making this way worse.
I'm not.
Let go. Stop. Let go.
Don't fuck with me.
Let go, please. Stop. Please.
Don't fuck with me.
Ma'am, let go. Let go.
Let me get your purse.
Thank you.
Hold your purse.
Let go.
Just let it go, baby.
There
I'm
it
right
is.
here.
No, no. Fuck
I got
with you.
Hush.
Stop.
No. No.
Why are you being this?
No.
Yeah, what's wrong?
Don't fuck with me.
Nobody's messing
Don't
with you.
fuck with me. Don't fuck with me.
I know, it's so embarrassing.
Alright.
Clayton.
Thank you.
Don't fuck with me.
I got smaller cups.
I said don't fuck with me.
I was trying to...
I said don't. You want to twist my arm?
Nobody's twisting. We're just trying to get you back here.
No. Bullshit. Bullshit. I'ma fuck you up. Fuck you. I'ma fuck you up.
Stop.
Ah! Ah! Fuck you. Let me go. Don't fuck with me. Ah! 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 Don't fuck with me. I'll fuck you.
That was progressively going to get worse no matter what. Yeah, for sure. Hey, Ray. Hey, it's Officer Dunbar. Hey, you can cancel, man. She's going to be going to jail tonight. Driving disorderly and wanted to fight us. Yep, your truck's here, though. Yeah, she'll get a phone call up there. She'll have to sober up a little bit though. You alright?
Yeah, I'm fine. I'm just pissed because I kept trying to adjust them and then she yanked it. So. Then my handcuff key got stuck. So.
If anything, hear me out. Okay, I'm dealing with your girlfriend screaming in my car, so I gotta be quick. Your keys will either be here with an officer or they'll be at the police department, okay? I understand. All right. Knock it off.
Oh, fuck you! Fuck you!
What is your problem?
Oh, fuck you! I need this job!
Yeah, my hobble's right in the door.
My man is on his way! I'll kick the fuck out of you! Motherfuckers! I'll kick the fuck out of you! My man is on his way! Fuck out of you! My man is on his way! I'll kick the fuck out of you! Come here! Come here! Come here! I'll kick the fuck out of you! Come here! Come here!
An officer now speaks with the suspect's former coworker who knows her.
Okay, so he's still coming, her boyfriend.
I don't even know what he looks like or what his name is.
Raymond.
Raymond is his name.
Yeah,
okay.
he's coming here. He told him where his truck is. So I said the keys would be here. If you can't keep them, I'll just have someone take them to the police department. He's gonna have to go there and get the keys. But he said it'd be here shortly.
It's all of what you guys want to do. I have no problem with what you guys want to do. If y'all want to take it and take it to the police department, y'all.
I'm going to jail right now, so I ain't gonna be around. So
okay. Y'all tell me what y'all want to do, because I'll just hand it over to you guys, and he can pick it up from there. Because I'm done. Like
are you going home?
No, I'm in there, and I can't even have my last hurrah with my family and friends in there.
I understand.
This bullshit that I did not plan on doing. I kept saying the whole time, I'm not babysitting a grown adult.
Hey! Hey! Hey!
He's coming here. Hang out, go do your
I'll be
thing.
in the back.
And I'll tell him, hey, your keys are there. What was your name?
Felicia.
Felicia.
Yep.
He'll grab them, and that's it.
Yep, I'm right here.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Appreciate you.
Fuck you! I'll kill you!
You're just making it worse.
Come on.
You're making it so much
Come on, I'll
worse.
fuck you! Come on!
She's hanging on to the keys. I'm gonna tell him that the keys will be here with Patricia or Felicia at the back bar. She can pick it up from there. Yeah, I mean, it's pretty cut and dry, honestly. Assault? She hit me, so that's battery on LEO and drunk and disorderly. Resisting? Sure. I'm gonna transport her off the spot because all these friends here are trying to come and enjoy their time. I'm gonna get her off the spot. Wawa? Yeah. Hey, I'm gonna get her off this spot. We're going to Wawa. Yeah, go ahead.
What did you say her head was? Mom?
Sure.
Yeah, go ahead! Go ahead! Oh, fuckers! You don't even know! You don't even know! I'm gonna fuck you up! I'm gonna fuck you up!
That's not very nice.
Wait, I'm gonna fuck you up! I'm gonna fuck you up!
She, in fact, didn't F anyone up. Patricia was charged with resisting an officer with violence and disorderly intoxication. She is innocent unless proven guilty in a court of law.
Today we're talking about a strange incident from Smear Beach, Florida, involving a former school employee found intoxicated outside a bar. This woman decided to confront her former boss, a principal, inside the bar while being heavily drunk. Things escalated quickly. She even saw the person who allegedly fired her, making the situation more awkward. But it didn't stop there. She came outside and attempted to drive away in her car. Thankfully, her former colleague stopped her just in time. Who knows what could have happened if she had succeeded in driving in that state? Eventually, the police had to arrest her. This incident highlights how stress and emotions, if not handled well, can lead to serious consequences. In life, the decisions we make, especially in tough times, shape our future. So friends, control your emotions and stay safe. I'll see you next time with another story. Thank you.